Hi folks, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Nike Official. As you all know, my channel is based on travel, adventure and history. Today we are going to visit Dandeli. We started our journey in the morning. At this time, nature is at its best. The golden rays of the sunrise gave a bright color to the clouds and calming breeze. We saw one beautiful peacock roaming in forest. We started our journey from Ponda. Ponda to Dandeli is almost 110 kilometers. You can reach within 2.5 hours. Dandeli is a town in the western Indian state of Karnataka. Dandeli is very popular tourist destination in Karnataka and it is famous for adventurous activities and beautiful forest. Dandeli river rafting is the most loved and highly recommended adventure in Karnataka. The rapids depend on the release of the water from the dam. Dandeli water rafting is done in white water of Kali River rapids and surfing during rafting makes you stun. We planned Dandeli visit in Aqua woods through Mr. Imran. He is very kind person. His contact in description down below. He was very helpful and arranged all activities. This needs advance booking and homestay lodge. I visited here with my family. We reached there at 9 am and soon our guide reached to us and told us to hurry up as the water level may drop down because power is produced by releasing dam water through dam gates. Wherever dam water is released through various gates. Dandeli whitewater river rafting is done taking into consideration all safety measures right from life jackets, helmets to the trained raftsman. You can scream to your maximum capacity and enjoy the event. The guide named Mr. Rohit was very good and fun-loving. I recommend you to go with him on river rafting as he allowed us to raft on boat and we played several water activities. We shared the boat with another 4 members from Belgaum, Karnataka. The pay for river rafting was 600 rupees per head. If you want video and photograph then you'll have to pay them 1500 and you need to split the amount with members on the boat. So it will cost you about 187 rupees per head if you are 8 people in a boat. So folks, be ready for adventure and buckle up the seat and enjoy the journey.
Okay, next one jump. ओके उतना ही हेलो हेलो कुछ नहीं होता नेक्स्ट वन सब लोग यहाँ पे देखो लो सब लोग आगे
नाम बोलो।
सुकन्या बेलगम।
सिद्धन्ना बेलगम।
अविनायक गोवा।
खुशबू गोवा।
तो सब लोग इनको बैक से आए करो हाय
चलो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड फास्ट अभी क्या डाउन निकाल के बाद
अब मैं बोलता हूँ आगे Okay, stop and get on photograph. Okay, fast, fast, fast.
Backward.